I would like to say welcome again, and thank you for joining us for this masterclass. Today, we're going to talk all about Monyx. We're going to get to know the app and just learn a little bit about the application and about mobile wallets. So let me introduce myself. My name is Gal. I'm a training developer here at Nayax. And with me, I have Maya. Maya, would you like to present yourself?
Sure. Hi everyone. My name is Maya. I'm product marketing manager of Monyx here at Nayax.
Thank you. So, as I said, today we're going to talk about Monyx Wallet. We're having our first masterclass, which we're going to talk about getting to know the app, about the app abilities, and all of the capabilities that we offer within this app. So what are we going to go through today is just a little bit about the market that we are approaching to, a little bit about what is mobile wallets and how is it good for us, and how is it good for us and how it benefits our business. And to get everything started, I would like to give the stage to Maya. So Maya, you can get going.
Hi everyone, so I hope you will join our session. Okay, so the COVID-19 has greatly changed the way you are approaching to your customers. By placing consumers at the center, it is important that you will create personalized offerings by treating payments as strategic and focusing on customers' loyalty and stickiness. However, in order to meet consumers' expectations, we realize that you have to face several challenges. These challenges include lack of efficiency, time wasted, low consumer engagement, difficulty keeping up with payment technologies, increased expenses, and more and more. And that's why we are here, to help you deal with these challenges and reduce your operational costs and total cost of ownership. We have a solution that helps you reduce your operational costs and increase your customers' loyalty and revenues. Our solution offers one end-to-end technology platform, empowers your business, and puts your needs in the center. This solution includes 4 sides: our devices, our management suite and payment suite that sits behind all our devices, and of course, our loyalty and consumer engagement platform that we will focus on today. We are here to help you lower your operational costs, increase your revenues, along with business optimization tools and a better customer loyalty program for your business growth. Today, we will focus on customer success, more connections, more conversions, more transactions, and more revenues. Overall, the trends of digitizations and adoption of unattended commerce will continue pushing our business forward. You're probably asking yourself, why should you invest in loyalty and customer engagement? What does it give you? So today, customers have so many choices to pick from, and you need to make sure that they will visit your business again and again, spend more, and receive the best customer experience. With a customized loyalty and customer engagement set of solutions, you can ensure that your customers will return to your business by providing them with the information they need, telling them about sales on products they're interested in, and providing them with a seamless shopping experience. With online and offline data, you can fully map out your customer's journey and know how to provide them a positive, personalized, and frictionless shopping experience. As you can all probably know, trends point towards the growth in the use of digital wallets. Each country has its own wallet, and you want to be sure that you can expect all payment methods. Mobile wallets and digital engagement solutions are also a valuable tool for customer loyalty because they provide you with an opportunity to create marketing campaigns, provide punch cards, refunds, top-up bonuses on prepaid cards, make discounts available for your customers, and more and more. With the proper tools and incentives, your customers will return again and again to your business. After saying that, I'd like to introduce you a Monyx Loyalty Customer Engagement Solution. Ta-ta-tam. Sorry, so meet Monyx Wallet, our platform that designed especially for customers' engagement, customer experience, and loyalty for the business growth. Our value proposition relates both for your business and to your customers. Monyx helps businesses increase your customers' retention with marketing and loyalty programs, and also improve your operational efficiency and therefore your revenues. Monyx has three main benefits regarding loyalty, marketing, and efficiency. Regarding the loyalty, Monyx offers you a personal connection with your customers in order to increase their retention and give them the tools to return to your business again and again. Regarding the marketing, there are different marketing engagement options for higher transactions, value, and volume. You can see some of them on Monyx website in the resources part, and I will of course talk about it later. And of course, efficiency. Monyx offers a better experience for your customers in order to decrease your operational costs and increase your efficiency. How? With these main features that you can see below. We have top-up bonuses, we have punch card campaigns, in-app branding, instant refund process, and more and more. We provide you the best technical capabilities so you can engage with your customers and grow your business in the easiest and fastest way. To make it even easier for you, Monyx has a wide range of options depending on your company size, budget, and number of customers. The two basic options for Monyx is to use it as you can see on the right, or you can customize it with your logo and colors, as you can see on the left. Let me show you some examples from our customers. The first example is T-Vent, who needed a tool to engage with their customers and offer them a personal marketing option. And that's why they chose Monyx as is. It helped them to ease their refund process, to create different campaigns. And as you can see in the result part, there is no doubt how much it helped them in increasing their sales, number of transactions, and of course, their profits. The second example, is Coca-Cola Israel. They built a reward app. Their target audience was Israeli teenagers between the ages of 16 to 22, who learn in universities or serve in the Israeli army, and use food and beverage vending machines on a daily basis. Coca-Cola approached us so we can help them embed a loyalty program within their app. And that's why we offer them Monyx SDK, one of our advanced solutions. Monyx SDK is an integration between Monyx and the operators, here Coca-Cola's application. Coca-Cola or the operator has a full control of the design of the look and feel of the app, and it contains also some of Monyx capabilities. The results are speaking for themselves, as you can probably see, as they succeeded to gain almost 20,000 new customers to their app since January and enlarge their engagement with their customers. We always think ahead about you, our customers, and wish to develop more and more capabilities and features. And that's why we've prepared so more features to follow. So you have many things to wait for. Of course, that we promise that we will update you as soon as we will publish these new features. So I pass the mic to Gal, so we will continue our great session. Gal, it's your turn.
Thank you very much for explaining us all of these good benefits that Monyx offers us as customers. So let's get started. What I'm going to talk about is basically Monyx Wallet. As some of you already know, Monyx Wallet is our payment and consumer engagement help. Now, it's a digital wallet that allows your consumers to pay with their phones through your Monyx devices. All they need to do is to load up the balance to the app, and then very quickly they can pay. And for you as an operator, the Monyx Wallet app is a B2C product, so you can configure different parameters on the Monyx backend management suite. Now, there are two sides for Monyx Wallet, the consumer and you as an operator. I will start with the consumer side. Why is it such a good app for your consumers? So, first of all, one of the favorite things for the consumers is instant refund. They can do instant refund when they're next to the machine. It's immediate, and it also saves you money. Also, we encourage our consumers to purchase more from you, and that's why they can get a top-up bonus from Nayax on the Monyx Wallet card, and also they can win cashback from Nayax using our fun games that they can play while waiting for your machines to dispense their products. And I also want to introduce you to the latest game that we just launched. It's our memory game. Let's take a look at how simple the entire process is. So that was the process. You saw it was really, really easy, just 3 steps. You pay, you play, and you get cashback. And now you probably want to hear why is it so good for your operation. Basically, it changes the way you interact with your consumers. Up until now, they would come up to your machine, they would buy and leave, and you wouldn't know anything about the experience unless they called you with a problem. With Monyx, they can rate the machine. They can leave feedback in the app and contact you when they have any kind of issue or they just want to say a good word about your business. On top of that, you know who your consumers are. You have an open communication channel with them, and they have an identity. They're basically now your clients. Instead of just passing by or just buying, you as an operator, it requires a little bit more involvement on your side. But we help to increase your consumer stickiness and receive feedback and ranking and everything using our Monyx Wallet card and app. So let's take a quick look at and a quick overview of the Monyx app. After seeing all the benefits that Monyx gives you and your consumers, the process is very, very simple. First, the consumer needs to find the machine by scanning the QR code or searching for it. Then they choose the desired payment method, a Monyx card or your business branded card, and they click pay to activate the machine. With supported machines, the consumer can also select the product straight from the app. It helps to make a better user experience for the consumers. They don't need to touch the machine itself, and all the transaction is happening through the app. This feature was actually really, really popular during the COVID times. So let's dive in a little bit deeper into the in-app payment options, and we will start with Monyx Wallet card. So I've mentioned it before, and I've mentioned also your own business branded card. When the consumer chooses a payment method, they have these two options. The Monyx card is a default card that every consumer gets. With a Monyx card, they can get 10% top-up bonus that is paid from us. And also, they can use it on all of Nayax devices with all the operators. How does that work? Very simple. First, the user charges money to the card balance, and then he receives a 10% top-up bonus for the highest amount when he charges. Now, the second option that we have is the prepaid branded card. This is an option, it's not mandatory. but you can use it with your own branding. It's pretty simple. You can customize and give consumers a top-up bonus to your liking. It doesn't have to be 10%, but it is paid by you. You get the cash in advance, meaning that all of the charge that the consumer puts in his card goes straight to your operation. This is basically, I would say, your preferred method. The Monyx default card is there, so you won't have to do any extra work to get your consumer using Monyx. But this card is here to give you more options and to create loyalty and engagement with your consumers, and also to customize everything that your business needs. How does that work? It's almost the same. The user charges money to the card balance, same as with the Monyx card. With this case, with a prepaid branded card, you can choose the amount or the percentage that you want for the top-up bonus, and you can offer campaigns and promotions on your branded card. So, what's in it for you and what's in it for your business? Let's dive a little deeper into this. So, with Monyx Wallet, you can get a lot of good things for your business. You can reduce operational costs, you can increase sales, and increase consumer loyalty and stickiness. And now we will get deeper in how you do it. So the first thing that I want to talk about is instant refund. You can reduce operational costs with instant refunds. It's a simple click in the app, and you can refund your consumer through the DCS, the management suite. Now, I know it can be a change for you and for them. You don't need to send a refund card. The consumer don't need to go away from the machine. It's immediate, actually, and it raises the consumer satisfaction. And we know it because we've seen it in the feedback that we get. The next thing that I'm going to talk about is campaign creation. Now, you can increase your sales by creating campaigns. You can create a punch card campaign that fits your machine type and the location, and in this way, you can guarantee that your consumer will return. You can customize each campaign according to your business needs, and a good example is from Tiven that Maya mentioned before, who created a 1+1 campaign to help promote a new product, such as a new Coke flavor on his soda machine. He said it was a huge success, and after this introduction, consumers started buying these new drinks and paid a full price for them. So campaign creation is actually an amazing way to customize your campaigns according to your specific needs and therefore increase your sales. Now, the reason that these campaigns are working so well is because they are such a great tool to create engagement with your consumers. We've heard from operators that they like to stick a $1 bill on a random product in their machine. This way, they encourage the consumer to buy more for the off chance that they will get the winning product. That's an original idea. And in this way, you as an operator increase your sales, but you also lose money with every purchase of the discounted product. But if you're using Monyx Wallet, you as an operator have the option to do a 9+1 punch card campaign. You not only increase your sales, but you also increase your revenue. Your consumers need to buy the first 9 products to get 1 for free. It also eliminates the randomness of the wins. They are guaranteed a free product, and they want to return to your machine because they know that they're going to get it. Creating a campaign is a sure way to increase your sales without any risk. Now, let's talk a little bit about machine branding. Now look at the image on the right side. The bottom part is the branded prepaid card. The top half is the machine branding. Now we will focus on the machine branding in order to increase your sales. A couple of things about machine branding. You can do it yourself through the DCS. Just prepare the image that you want and you can upload it by yourself. You can use different images for different machines. And this means that you can promote special offers, discounts, and events all in the app and by yourself. This feature can help you increase your sales, and it helps with marketing your special offers easier. Again, the prepaid card branding is more static, and it's always there, and the same for all of your machines. And the machine branding is dynamic. You can always change it and use it to promote your campaigns. We will get in how to do it more. We will get into it and in more detail on our next webinar next week. This is the second Monyx Masterclass where we go through the management suite side. So make sure to sign up to our second webinar. And the next thing that I want to talk about is the operator in-app branding, and I'm talking about the prepaid card. When we talk about increasing consumers' loyalty, we have the prepaid card branding, which we've previously mentioned. So back to the same app screen. This time we're focusing on the bottom half. Branding is a great way to get your logo in the app. The prepaid card will be available to your consumers on your machines only. This is how you can give customized top-up bonuses, which means you get the money in advance. They choose to top up to your card specifically, so they want to return to your machine. They don't want to go, they can't spend it in other machines, so they will come back to your machine to spend their money. So this is a good way to make your customers come back. Now, I've talked about it just before, and I'm going to talk about it a little bit more. And let's talk about a top-up bonus. Another way to increase consumers' loyalty is through a customized top-up bonus, which you can only give on your branded prepaid card. And this is why it's important to have one. You can set your own top-up amount or percentage that the consumer will receive. So let's say the consumer will top up his card with $50, you can decide to give him $5 or $10 off the deal, or maybe give him 10%. This is up to your choosing. Now, carrying on from the previous slides that we talked about, the prepaid cards and the branded cards and the top-up bonuses, I want to talk about automatic branded card creation. If you choose to create a prepaid branded card, you can set it to be created automatically. This means that once a consumer scans your machine, they immediately get your branded card, which makes it easier to top up to your card and use it. So basically, every consumer that will go and scan your machine will receive your branded card. They can top it up immediately. The next thing that I'm going to talk about, and this is the last thing, is feedback. Using Monyx, consumers can leave feedback about your machines and share their experience. You can see in our management suite the overall machine rating, as well as written reviews with details of who left it on and on which machine. This way, you can contact them directly, understand the issue if there's something you need to resolve, and keep your consumers satisfied. Next week, we'll get into more details on using the management suite and seeing and using this tool. So, is it really that good? Yes. When you compare to other digital wallets, Monyx Wallet might be limited to Nayax devices, but it offers an actual loyalty program. And as we said before, Monyx give you branded card, top-up bonuses, customized campaigns, cashback, and more. Monyx is your best way to create loyalty. So I would like to invite you all to ask questions and to see if there's anything you would like to know or like us to explain more. We have with us Coral, which is from the product. She's the product manager for Monyx. She can answer your questions. So feel free to write everything in the chat. There is a question from Kim, which is new to the company. So first of all, welcome to Nayax, Kim. So let's take a look at the questions. Do customers have to add a credit to the card, or they can spend freely? So Monyx works in a way that they need to top up a prepaid card, okay? Meaning they can put their credit card in the app, and then they can choose the branded card, the prepaid card that they want to top up. And then they pay the certain amount that will top up their card. I see a question from Jackie asking, how do we get a sticker for our machine? I seem to have lost it when installing my Nayax card reader. Coral or Maya, would you like to explain a little bit more about the stickers?
Sure. We have a resources page on our Monyx website, so where you can see many promotion tools that you can engage with your customers. We have their machine crowns, we have guides, we have stickers that you can put on your machine so your customers can see it and download the app quickly. We have QR stickers that you can put on your machines as well. And there are many more other tools in the website where you can see all the things in order to engage more with your customers and show them the app usage.
Perfect.
I
will
see we
also
have some earlier questions. Let's see. I think I can't see who asked it, but someone asked, how do I start to use Monyx? So we do have an instruction on how to use Monyx. You need to put it on DCS as a payment method. And someone else asked, how much does it cost per machine? So it doesn't cost per machine. You can, if you have a machine and a Nyax device, you can make Monyx as a payment method through DCS. For now, without any costs for the Monyx services. Gali wanted to say something.
Perfect. Thank you, Coral. Actually, I just wanted to send the link to the resource page on Monyx website. So everyone can take a look in the chat box. You will have the link over there. So let's keep going with the questions.
So someone asked if there is an how to print material to show to the customers. So yes, we have on the resources how to use Monyx in 3 easy steps. You can take it and you can stick it on the machine. So if someone is going beside your machine, you can see it, download the app, and know in 3 steps how to use it. So it's part of the resources. So Kim asked, how can Nyax help to improve its services with the clients? Basically, this is the point of Monyx. We do want to improve the service you give to the end consumers. Basically, that's all it does. Someone asked, what is the difference between Monyx and the MoMA app? So Monyx is for the end consumers to purchase from your machines and for you to have a connection with your consumers. And MoMA, Gal can explain a little more.
Yes, MoMA is our mobile management app, which is basically a reflection of the DCS, meaning you can manage your all operations straight from the palm of your hand, straight from the phone.
So MoMA is for your management, okay, to manage your machines and the functionalities, and Monyx is to engage with your customers. Basically, if we are putting it down for just a few words.
Exactly.
Someone asked, is the prepaid card only on the app, or will the consumers receive an actual prepaid card? That's a great question. So the prepaid card you see on Monyx, it's a digital card, okay? So it can be only a digital card. It can be only on the app, but we do have cases when you have a physical card and you can connect it to a digital card on Monyx. So you have it both ways.
I see a question from Philip about I'm using Nyax and awaiting activation on my first reader. I've ordered and received my custom branded physical debit cards to be used in our location. If I offer a top-up bonus for our cards, do I fund that bonus or does Monyx cover that bonus? So as I mentioned before, there are 2 types of prepaid card in Monyx. When customers top up their Monyx card, which is the default card of Monyx Wallet, they will receive the top-up bonus from Nyax, from us. If they're topping up and there's this option available on a branded prepaid card, meaning your own business branded card, then the funds will be from your business. I see a question asking about setting up. I would also like to say that next week on our second masterclass, we will go through all of the steps on how to set up Monyx Wallet as a payment method, how to create campaigns, how to give consumers refunds. So everything that we've talked about in this session, we will cover next week in our second masterclass from the management suite side. So meaning how to do everything that we've talked about today from the DCS. So make sure you sign up to our next webinar.
I see Kim ask another question about, do we have an extra charge to pay for this new service you are presenting? So we don't charge on using Monyx Wallet. The things you need to pay for is the fee for the transaction. So you ask, Steve asked, is all of this currently available now for implementation? Yes, everything we showed you beside the planning ahead that Maya showed, everything you can use it, it's already there and existing. Basically, as Gal said, we now showed you what you can do and how to do it, you will see next week. So Ben asked, do we control all Monyx promos on DCS? Yes, exactly. You can do any campaign you want. You can control the definition of the campaign, which machine will it present on, which product group, machine group, dates, times even. You can make a happy hour, everything that, of course, as we said, you can see how to do it on next week. But the main thing is that, yes, you can control how to do the campaign.
So again, that this session is recorded and will be uploaded to Next University, and of course will be sent in the follow-up mail.
So someone asked regarding the physical card. So someone can add their physical card to Monyx. Yes, when you are trying to add a new card, you do have the option to add a physical existing card. Of course, this card needs to be on DCS, so we can identify it and connect the physical card to the digital card.
Right, I see.
So Jeremy asked the link to register to the masterclass next week.
Exactly, I am sending it right now. You can find it in the chat box.
Someone asked, can I make Monyx card the only payment method for my machines? Yes, you can. On the DCS, you can choose the payment method you accept. So it's up to you.
I see a question. Can we offer machine-specific promotion, or is any promotion available only across all of our machines? So the promotions and the campaigns with Monyx are highly customizable, meaning that you can choose for different machine, different campaigns, and create specific campaigns based on your needs and based on locations, and you can customize almost everything.
I want to say just one thing. You can use the machine branding to promote anything you want. As Gal said, the machine branding is, you can do it on DCS, and of course you can put your logo as we saw, but also you can choose a different image for all the machines. You can put the same one, but if you want, let's say, in some region to promote something, you can use the machine image also for that, not only the campaigns.
If there are any more questions, I would love to hear them. I would say again that this session is recorded. We will send a follow-up mail with the recording. And there were some really, really good questions. I believe that I will make some nice Q&A with all the questions that rose here in the chat. I will post it at Next Community, so make sure to go to Next Community on Facebook and be there. And also we'll upload it to Next University. So you will have a place with all the questions and everything. And I see that there are new questions coming in. Can I make Next card the only payment method? Yes, you can choose Coral. You can answer this.
Yes, I'm presuming you are referring to the black card, the Monyx card inside the app. So you do have two options. You can make your own prepaid card, and you can use the default card, the NIAX card. It's up to you, but I highly recommend to do a prepaid card of your own, because a lot of the things that we showed you today and we will show you next week, you can do it on your own card and you can control it, the campaigns, the top-up bonuses and everything like that.
Besides the source of top-up funds and branding, what are the differences between the default card and the customized card? That's a great question, Steve. Basically, when consumers are using the default card, the Monyx Wallet card, they can use it on every Monyx device, with every operator, with every business. When they're using your customized card, when they're using your branded card, they can use it only on your specific machines, only in your business. So every amount that they will charge to their card will go straight to you, straight to your business. A question asking, where can I find Monyx University? You can access Monyx University through the DCS. If you will click on the little hat on the top of the screen, you can access Monyx University. There are tons of courses over there. It's really, really nice and important to go over there and check everything out. This is actually also my next slide, which is to invite you to get additional knowledge, because as we said, and as you saw, this is just the basics, and there's a lot more under the hood. So at Monyx University, you'll get a chance to dive deep into everything and all of the features and abilities that Monyx offers. You can see all of the things that we're going to talk about and talked about today, and basically become a Monyx master. So make sure to check it out. So for those who can wait and who don't have the app up until now, go ahead and scan the barcode and download the app. Make sure to try Monyx. Make sure to sign up to our next masterclass. And thank you very much for joining and participating. It's been a pleasure delivering this webinar and this masterclass with you, Maya and Coral. So thank you very much for everyone who was here.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.
Thank you, guys. Looking forward to seeing you next week.
Bye-bye.